Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I will show you how to make Gulab Jamun. If you want to make this, then follow these steps. Firstly, you have to add some Gulab Jamun powder into a vessel and then make a dough using 10 to 13 spoons of milk. By adding slowly, make a soft dough. After that, keep it aside for 15 minutes rest. And after 15 minutes, you have to make again a soft dough, but make sure that you how to make a dough by using your palm and make small pieces of dough. It will help you to make a perfect ball for Gulab Jamun like this, and make this like a ball for Gulab Jamun. And the second step was to make sugar syrup. Add a cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. This measurement will depend on how much you want. I have used food color, which is optional. Mix well till the sugar gets dissolved and sticky in hands. Add 1 cardamom and its powder. After boiling, it gets sticky and keep it in cool place. The third step is to take a vessel and add 2 cups of refined oil. After getting heat, put 1 by 1 all the balls that you have made for Gulab Jamun and fry it in medium to high flame till the color changes into golden brown. You can see that the color is becoming golden brown. If you want to subscribe my channel Mothers and Sons Kitchen, then subscribe and support, and slowly transfer the fried balls into sugar syrup. Transfer all the balls into sugar syrup and let it to be cool, and mix it with sugar syrup and keep it for 4 hours. You can see an awesome color and looks good. You can see that it is looking so yummy. And thanks for watching.